Here is a question that really made me think. Somebody is making this project. It's a 3D sunflower, but they want their petals to be 10 inches long. So right now, if I click on this to try to resize it, it's going to all resize together, which is what we want. But it's hard to tell when something is a certain dimension. So I could watch the grid numbers, grid spacing to kind of estimate when it's up to 10 inches. But here's another thing you can do. Go over here on the layers panel and click on one of these petals and now duplicate it. Duplicating it is going to make an exact copy. So now I can see that one of these petals is 6 inches right here. So now if I change this one petal to 10, I'm going to make it a different color so that I know this is just my template guide kind of petal. So now I can take the whole grouping and size it up. And I need to keep going. And I can keep sizing things until my petals look to be about the size of this purple petal that I'm kind of using as a guide. That's looking pretty close. So now what I'm going to do is click on one of these again and go duplicate. And now I can see that this one petal is now 9 inches, 0.734. So I'm getting pretty close. So it's not an exact science, but it can help you to resize everything and get much closer to the size that you want before you just start cutting. I hope this helped.